The Subaru Solterra offers a number of charging options, whether charging overnight at home or for quick stops on the road. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, 80% of electric vehicle charging happens at home. Subaru makes charging at home easy with several options. Every Solterra is equipped with a Level 1 120-volt charger. Level 1 chargers take the longest, but are the best option for charging vehicles over an extended period of time, like during a vacation. A Level 2 charger installed in your home is the preferred charging method for most Solterra owners. Level 2 chargers are available in two styles. Permanently mounted chargers mount to the wall. Portable chargers can be unplugged from a 240-volt wall socket, and plugged in anywhere a 240-volt wall socket is available. Both a permanent charger installation and a 240-volt wall socket require professional installation by a licensed electrician. When your range falls to 50 miles, your Solterra will begin prompting you to find a charging station. Most remote charging stations are Level 2 chargers that replenish your battery at a similar rate as your Level 2 home charger. DC fast chargers are designed to charge your vehicle at a faster rate. Your Solterra can charge at a DC fast charger from empty to 80% charge in about an hour. For more information on Subaru Solterra charging, visit your Subaru retailer.